Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Oreo cheese pie or Oreo cheesecake, no bake cheesecake. It's very easy, delicious, no bake, and your family will love it. Anybody love Oreos will love this cheese pie. For the ingredients, I use a half cup of heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 8 ounces of cream cheese and 8 ounces of sour cream, a teaspoon of vanilla extracts, a third cup of sugar, and I used here a pack of Oreos. I'm using here the gluten-free Oreos. You can use the regular ones. I put them in the food processor. Then I blend them really good. This will be our crust. Is the Oreo crust. I didn't take the cream. If you like it less sweet, take the cream from the middle and blend only the Oreo cookie by itself without the white cream. Here I add some melted butter to make the crust. Is up to 2 tablespoons. That's it. I take the cheesecake pan. That's the small one. And put my Oreo crust right there. I use a spoon to make it even. And you can use the measuring cup. I'm using here the third cup to make it flat and all even like that. Now we'll prepare the filling. Here I have the sugar with the cream cheese. Try to have the cream cheese at room temperature. I add here the vanilla extract and work it really good. Mix it together with the hand blender. Then I add my sour cream and mix again everything together until all the ingredients mix really good and everything is nice and fluffy. It's a very easy cheese pie. Very easy. Be ready in a few minutes. Mix it good. For the second part, I'm using the heavy cream. Try to put it in your freezer for a few minutes before that you blend it. And I add here the sugar, powdered sugar. Now I add everything together, and this point try to mix from down, up and down, like in one direction, like that your whipped cream stayed good. Don't be liquidy. Try to mix everything good, but in one direction and slowly. And that's it. Our filling for the cheese pie, it's ready. Like that, good. I try to put my filling down and make it even, like the crust. Then I will put it on my fridge overnight. You can put it there for 3-4 hours before serving. Some people like to add some strawberries on top. You can cut your strawberries, add some sugar to them, then you can put this on the top. My family like it like that. It's really good. Sweet. If you like it sweet, it's sweet. Delicious and easy to make. It's a very easy dessert. It's good for the Oreo lovers. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new video. Enjoy!